SDT is one of Asia Pacific's leading driver training companies. We've conducted track days, vehicle and tyre launches, and driver coaching on motorsport circuits across Australia and Asia. Our sports driver training days are not like Happy Lap or track cruising events that have a large number of cars jostling for position, all supposedly staying under the 110 km/h speed limit. Our track events are limited to 24 drivers. Your attendance fee paying for space to practice and do more fast laps than other track days that have 40 or more cars booked in. Enthusiast drivers attend to enjoy their performance car, refine their driving skills, or to test their race car prior to an upcoming event. Some participants just enjoy the relaxed atmosphere and meeting other like-minded car enthusiasts. Some just want to cross another track off their Lap the Tracks bucket list. These are our upcoming dates for Morgan Park Raceway near Warwick in southeast Queensland. We look forward to seeing both our regular participants and welcoming new drivers. Morgan Park is a great circuit for driver development as it offers curves of varying types and a moderate change of elevation. Across the day, we run several different circuit configurations to challenge the drivers and their cars. The circuit best suits hot hatchbacks and lightweight cars, but is more forgiving than other race circuits. As such, it's a great place for first-timers to learn high-performance driving. My first track day is a half-day session we offer with vehicles and in-car coaching, plus e-learning driver training videos you watch before arrival. With track cars available for hire, you could bring your partner or friend and they can use our training cars rather than you having to share your car with them. This includes our Hyundai Excel Cup car, Proton Satria GTI, Subaru BRZ, and the new Nissan Z twin-turbo V6. It is a very exciting experience to be driving fast on a racetrack with your friends, family, or workmates. For all attendees, in-car driver coaching and mentoring is available. Our instructors will show you how to drive smoothly and consistently. Our instructors are highly experienced motorsport competitors with years of experience, but without the egos. They can help you to extract more from your car or to polish and refine your skills. If you are ever sitting behind a speedometer displaying speeds like this, then you owe it to yourself, your loved ones, and all other road users to take such speeds off the streets. A track day provides a safer location to experience these speeds, and we can rent you the required helmet. Our days have no classroom briefings, but instead we've created a series of track day training videos that cover the driving rules and offer tips on high-performance driving. Our dates are limited and fill fast, so you better be quicker than this to make a booking. This is our current pricing with full day and half day packages available. The Z Experience allows you to drive for 15 laps with an instructor and then go for a 3-lap passenger ride. If you are a driving enthusiast, you might also benefit from an advanced car control course and/or skid pan training experience. Contact SDT Sports Driver Training for more information.